The sound of my heart is like a quiet song that never stops playing. Sometimes it beats fast when I'm excited or happy, and sometimes it slows down when I feel lonely or sad. My heart remembers every moment, every smile, every tear, and every goodbye. When I love someone, my heart feels light and full of hope. But when love fades, it feels heavy, as if carrying invisible rain. Still, I've learned that even sadness makes my heart grow stronger. It teaches me patience, kindness, and understanding. Every beat reminds me that I'm alive, that I can still love, dream, and believe in beautiful things. The sound of my heart is my reminder that no matter how hard life gets, love will always find a way to heal it.